Hi, my name's Laura and I'm from Mind Nourishing, and today for Coed Lleol I'm going to do a video which is all about boosting your vitamin D in the woodlands. So follow me. So vitamin D is known as our sunshine vitamin, and what happens is when the sun shines on us, it hits cholesterol in our skin and it allows the body enough energy to create some vitamin D. So vitamin D is really helpful for our well-being because we know that it can really help to support our mood, and it also is really important for our immunity. So we know that to be able to get vitamin D, we have to have our skin exposed so it can touch our skin. And also we know that some people with darker skin shades might actually need more sun exposure to be able to get enough vitamin D. So in order for us to get enough vitamin D, normally it has to be within the months of April to September when the sun is a lot stronger. And ideally we want to be getting around 15 minutes in sunlight. So what it might be is that on your woodland walk, you might need to find those lovely pockets of sunshine, sit down in them for a little bit and just enjoy the sunshine. One really good way of testing whether you can get enough vitamin D is to see your shadow. If your shadow is shorter than you, then hopefully that means the sun is strong enough for you to get some vitamin D. So maybe try that on your next walk. So because I'm a nutritional therapist, normally I would say that you'll be able to get vitamins from your food, but that's not really the case with vitamin D because the food sources are actually really small. So some foods that you can get it in are like oily fish, eggs and cheese. So if you did want to make yourself a lovely salmon and egg salad for your picnic when you're out in the woodlands, that could be an idea, but sunshine probably is going to be your best bet. So I really hope this video has been helpful to give you ideas of how you can boost your vitamin D by going to your local woodlands. So again, my name's Laura. This video has been from Coed Lleol, and we would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining me.